sounds cute. Gretchen. Gretchen, your baby.
Here. Oh, there's Willow.
Hey, Gretchen.
Willow. Come here, Willow bear. It's your baby.
You guys should go back to your nest.
Well, if we stick them in there by the box, they'll crawl into it.
Yeah. Come on, baby.
I think they just don't want to step into it. There's Willow.
There's no. Get back here, kitty.
They climb up the wall. I get scared. I had to put these guys down.
Okay, Gretchen. Just go meet your babies back in the...
They're all fine.
Okay, come on. They keep knocking over their food.